In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clustered bar chart with trend lines in Excel. Let's open a document. This is a multi-column table which I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to create a bar chart with this data. To do this, select the whole table. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Recommended Charts. We will select the bar chart from here. Click on OK. You can see that a bar chart has been created according to our data. To get the trend lines, click on Add Chart Elements. From the drop-down menu, click on Trendline. Click on More Trendline options. A Format menu should appear on the right side of the window. In the Format menu, select the Moving Average option. At the top of the Format menu, click on the Fill Line icon. Change the dash type to Solid Line. You can also change the color of the line by clicking on the Color button. Here, our bar chart with trend lines is created successfully.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.